We're going to jump into our email question of the night. We have someone that's chimed in with us. My niece was in a collision with a robbery suspect driving a stolen vehicle. He was trying to evade police, ran a red light, and crashed into my niece's SUV. Her recovery is going to be time-consuming and expensive. What should she do? And that is from Rob. Well, Ben, I'm going to take that question for you.
Yeah,
It's a little PI question here, I guess. But, you know, Rob, your cousin has many avenues to look at here. Whether, you know, the recovery is going to be against the car that was stolen. Did that person leave their keys in the car? You know, oddly enough, we've had cases to where someone says, hey, my car was stolen, but yet the car was unlocked and left the keys in there. And we've actually been able to establish liability on the part of the owner of the vehicle. Chances are, you have a claim against the individual who caused the accident. Even though he was trying to evade police, you know, you look into the police's actions that night to see, were they operating under protocol and doing proper procedure chasing this individual. So just because it's a crime involved and someone has a stolen car, all is not lost. Your niece has PIP insurance, hopefully under a policy that will provide her coverage under personal injury protection that will help pay for the first $10,000 of her medical bills. And then we would look to uninsured motorists as well to see if she's covered up under any cars in her household or family that would provide coverage for her in the event that you can't establish liability on the person who owned the car that was stolen for any type of negligence they may have had, the person who actually stole the car, if they had any insurance, or any type of police breaking type of protocol. So there's multiple layers to look at there, and that's just scratching the surface. And then you get into personal health insurance and your med pays and a few things like that. So Rob, the best thing to do with something like this is, you know, it very much is time consuming, but contact a law firm like ours that would take this case on a contingency fee basis, and basically means we do all the work, and if we can't prove anything and make a recovery for your niece, well then she doesn't owe us anything. And so that's a great deal. And in a case like this, we would spend thousands of dollars out of the gate just prosecuting and investigating this case. And if we don't recover, well, she doesn't owe us anything. But it can be expensive and it can be time consuming, but that's what lawyers are for, and that's why you hire an expert to do these things. So if you give us a call tomorrow, we'll be glad to talk further with you, and you can call us at our office or always send us an email at LawCall@WMBB.com.